Welcome lugurau minidai khazadai ha minilainang.
Hey guys, so I am at a park and I can see someone who looks really interesting and I've been wondering where she could be from, so I'm just gonna go and speak to her.
Lai bede zahi dong phi min thedang ya sai lai khui ke de.
Hi.
De go don nu na ang.
Hi,
Bring ya.
what's your name?
Tanya.
Tanya, that is a lovely name. And Tanya, I don't know if you've noticed this, but I couldn't help but notice that you and I look similar, if you know what I mean. As in, we kind of look like we might belong to the same community, you know?
Hai abining baksa bring handa bo.
Because like that's what people think when they see people like us together. Tanya, where are you from?
Phin si bring ha.
Bangalore.
Yeah, but like where are you originally from?
Chantargutte.
No, yeah, but like where are you ethnically from?
Chantargutte.
No, I mean, yeah, like, but your parents, like, I'm sure they are from.
Chantargutte.
Okay. You want to say something to the camera? Over there? You can say anything you want in your language, in your mother tongue, perhaps.
Ay sangga ba tiga bo. Ili ka dan tham su be bi English na din su be ba ko jar ni jadin grazan su na.
You don't like to talk much, do you? That's okay. I don't like talking much. I don't like it when people keep talking. So guys, that's it from me at the park. I just made a new friend called Tanya from Bangalore, but she is originally from.
Nampan ni bokro ni.
Bahasa apa? Hah? Hah? कैसे बनेंगे?
Kamu be ni. Kita ba kamu be. Salah dah. Kai, kena ba kai. Salah kai. Ya kan.
Please like, share, and subscribe my video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Lugurau ni si video ke ham zo kade like, subscribe, share, like kire.